Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. How many of you guys read Model Aviation? Um, AMA magazine. If you're an AMA subscriber and or you want to get into building your own plane, because I can tell you right now, building your own plane is a rite of passage. You get into model airplaning, you're going to buy a prefabricated ARF kit, which is foamy. They're great and all because they're all built up, and that's not real model aviation in my book. Real model aviation is real model aviation is building this is building an airplane. Now, June's AMA magazine, okay, is a Newcomers edition, talking about different planes, talking about getting into the hobby. It's a great publication to join. It's $75 per year to join AMA. If you're going to fly a model airplane, you have to have one to fly at the field. Now, it talks a little bit about getting into model airplanes, but let me tell you why I think you really need to try it. You can try anybody at work, buy a kit, or if you want to I would suggest you buy a kit first, or if you're really good with your hands and you know how to read plans really well, download a set of plans, go to Outer Zone, or you could go in the back of the AMA magazine. There's information in here on how to get to the plans. You can actually order a set of plans and have them delivered to your house, or you can go on eBay, type in RC model airplane plans, and you can find hundreds of RC plans in there. But when you get to your flying of your aircraft, make sure you get one that is a trainer. If you haven't flown one before, or if you just want to get into flying, you fly jets and things like that. But let me get to it. What I have in front of me, this is really what a set of plans looks like. If you look at any of my set of plans for any of my planes, if you're a new subscriber, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. And you can learn about how to build model airplanes. But building an airplane is really simple, especially when it comes with plans. Now, this is an old kit that I got from a friend of mine, and the parts are already prefabricated cut. These are the rib sections. So basically what I did is I laid out the wing, and all you do is put your prefabricated ribs down, pin them down. Now, if you want to, you can, once you subscribe to this channel, almost all of my builds, I talk about the builds and how the builds are done. If there's a specific airplane that you want to ask for, I'll put a link in the suggestion box down below in the description box. It'll have my email. You can email me, modelmanfrank@gmail.com. Ask me any questions. If you have a question about what type of balsa model airplane you think I should buy, which one should I stay away from, what are the pitfalls, things like that, you can ask me and I'll answer the email directly to you. Also, you need to have some room. One of the things you need to do is you need to have an area where you can build. Really important. If you don't have a place to build your model airplanes, you got to have a table, a workbench, a desk that's not cluttered with your computer. Or right now, my workbench, you're not looking at it. I'm not showing it to you on the camera because I've got a lot of stuff on here. But once in a while, you got to clean off the desk, and then you get yourself an area where you can do it. I have a balsa wood board that I bought long time ago. You can use foam, you can use cork, you can use you can use particle board if it's soft enough, or you could use ceiling tiles that you use for office buildings. You can use ceiling tiles, and you can actually lay out the plans and actually tack them down and everything like that. So and then what you do is you go by, take your super glue, and you just super glue each part. What you want to get is you want to get multi-purpose CA. You can buy super glue anywhere. You can buy it at Office Depot, Home Depot. You want to get a good bottle. Make sure you don't super glue your fingers. Don't worry about it if you super glue your fingers. Dip your fingers in like an acetone, like nail polish remover, and it'll come off. You can even pull them apart also. It hurts, but you can pull them apart. Building airplanes is a lot of fun. You learn more about your plane if you build it from scratch. You learn how things are put together. Now, if you want to, you can follow me here on this channel. And like I said, if you have any questions when you're building the plane, send me an email, send me a picture of what you're working on, and I'll try and get back to you that same day. If I don't have the answer, I'll ask one of many people that I know that build also what they think, and then get you the answer as I can. You could, if you belong to a club in your area, an RC club, there are other model builders there too. You could ask them for help. You don't necessarily have to ask me. Okay? So go to them. They're a wealth of knowledge. In our club, we probably have about 10 guys that actually build RC planes. And some guys have stopped building them. Some guys are still doing it, but others, you know. Some guys have stopped building, but buy already built planes from other guys. So, guys, please, if this is your first time watching this video, subscribe, because you'll learn a lot here. Smash the thumbs up button, and join us Saturday nights, almost every Saturday night, except of course July 4th, or when this video comes out. If there's a holiday or anything like that, I don't go live on holidays. I spend time with family. But every Saturday night at 8 p.m. we talk and we build a model. Okay? We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Model Man Frank out.